Good morning from Power Wash Store of Central PA. We've got some flatbed trucks here that are going to be going out of the shop here soon. This one here, then this one here that we are working on right now. This one was actually brought to us from a contractor in Alabama. This is a 12-foot flatbed truck. We have here for water capacity, we have a 270 gallon tank, and then we have an extra 100-gallon tank, so that gives them a total of 370 in water, and a 100-gallon bleach tank. Machines, we've got a 8-gallon a minute water dragon hot water machine. This is one of the slimline units here. See the footprint of it for a hot water machine is fairly small with that slimline design, and the all stainless steel frame. Has the GX 690 and an Udar pump. We just have our plumbing for the machine and for the other cold water machine there, and then back on the other side is the fuel tanks, one for gas and one for diesel. This one is equipped with two different SoftWash setups. We have an air diaphragm setup here. In the center is that roll air compressor. That's a 20 CFM compressor. Beside that's going to be the 1/2-inch all-flow pump, and then the Tsunami air dryer is hanging on that shelf there. And the secondary 12-volt system here for soft washing. This is our twin pump system. There's two 12-volt pumps there that are going to be operated by those on-off switches. One's going to be the working pump, and the other one's just your backup pump. In case that first one stops working, you always have a working pump here just by switching some hose barbs. The way that we have this plumbed is this ball valve here allows you to switch between the 12-volt system or the air diaphragm setup using the proportioner. Box looks a little funny without the sticker on there. We haven't got to that point yet, but that's our proportioner up there in that shiny box. And then behind there we've got two 7-gallon soap tanks, which will allow you to have two different surfactants or degreasers to run through the proportioning system with either that air system or the 12-volt. Then we have our second cold water machine here. This is an 8-gallon a minute with the GX 690. And then our hose reels for this one, we use our Hannay electric reels on stack kits here, the first two. So we have two pressure washing lines. We have a garden hose feed, and then we have our soft wash line. The 5th hose reel is going to be for our water purification system, which is going to be going back in this space back here in front of that 100-gallon tank. We have some mounting brackets that are on the way, so we're going to be installing a pure water system here. It'll be a 4-stage RODI system, and then we'll stock this reel with 3/8 hose to operate the water fed pole. They're just one of the builds that we have going on here. It's going to be leaving the shop soon. If you're looking for something like this, or maybe something like this one, give us a call. Power Wash Store, Central PA, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching. You have a great day.